make booking super easy on your website? In this video, I'll show you how to quickly add Calendly to your WordPress site. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Start by logging into your Calendly account and choosing the event type you want to embed. Click on the Share button beside it and select Add to Website. From there, pick Inline Embed so your calendar shows directly on your page. Copy the code provided. Now head over to your WordPress dashboard and open the page where you want the calendar. Add a new block, search for custom HTML and paste the code you copied. Preview it to make sure everything looks perfect, then hit publish. And that's it. Your Calendly is now live on WordPress, ready for visitors to book with ease. Subscribe for more quick tutorials and happy scheduling.